Hi there, if you're new to calisthenics and you're trawling the internet and spending hundreds of hours looking for the most useful videos for your workouts, stop right now. I've found the two most useful videos on YouTube that you can use to progress in calisthenics, and they require no equipment and take less than 15 minutes when you do them both. So if you would like to know what they are, keep watching. Okay, so if, like me, you're new to calisthenics or you're new to fitness and the first thing you do is you want to research and figure out how you can improve on things, then like myself, you'll spend hundreds of hours on your iPad searching through all these videos and watching a load of rubbish and finding the odd gem. Now, I have literally spent, I dread to think how much time in the last few months, because every night I go on the iPad and find videos of things that I can learn and help me progress in calisthenics. And I found these two workouts. One of them I found months ago, and I've been doing it every day from before I have breakfast ever since. It takes about 8 minutes, and it's made a huge difference. It's all about your abs and your core, which are absolutely crucial, as you know, in calisthenics. So you can do things like the full planche, and you can do the L-sit, and the front lever, you know, and these are our targets. These are the things we want to learn about and how to be able to do them. And as you know, there's different elements of your body you need to train. Like, you need to be able to get full arm, you know, be able to lock your arms out and get the strength from that. You need to get the strength in your back, you need to get the strength in your core and your abs. So I've been concentrating every morning on getting the boring stuff out of the way before I have breakfast, which is my core and my abs. And you know, I do trail running, so my cardio is not an issue for me, but if you get bored with cardio work as well, then you're going to love these two videos, because one of them covers cardio and your whole body and the other one covers your abs and your core. And combined they take less than a quarter of an hour. Now, I can't take any credit for either of the videos because they're both done by the absolute master and genius of calisthenics called Chris Herrier. I'll give the links in the description below this video. So make sure you check them out, click on the links, go and check these videos out, you know, follow and subscribe to Chris Herrier. You'll never ever regret it, because his calisthenics lessons are absolutely amazing. But coincidentally, I didn't choose these because they're Chris Herrier. I chose these two videos because I've tried loads of different workouts, from literally spending hundreds of hours researching calisthenics on YouTube. And there's some really good advice out there and there's some really bad advice. I've even been to a calisthenics class and it just didn't work for me. I've ended up injuring my shoulder. It's taken over 2 months now. I'm still not fully healed and I really regret doing it. Whereas with these two videos that I'm going to show you, you don't need any, it's for all fitness levels. It doesn't require any equipment. And you can do them, like I say, first thing in the morning, spend less than a quarter of an hour, go and have a shower, go and have your breakfast, and off you go. And you're done. And you'll be burning fat for the next 24 hours as well, because you've done the cardio, because it's HIIT training, which is high intensity interval training. There you go. So yeah, check out the videos. Here's one of them. And here's the other one, which is the abs one. Now, it's obviously up to you which order you do them in, but I tend to do the 7-minute workout first because it's a bit more of a cardio and it gets your heart going. So when you then go and do the abs one, yeah, your hip flexors and your abs might be a bit more sore, but you've got your heart rate up and you've got your cardio system working and your heart rate's higher and helping you out. So personally, I'd go for the 7-minute video first and then go for the abs workout. Get them both done before you have a shower and have your breakfast, and you are literally good to go for the day. And you'll be amazed at the difference. I've been doing the abs workout for a couple of months now, and I've noticed a real difference in the sides of my body, the tone. When I'm trying to do the front lever, I can keep my body completely firm and straight now, which has really helped with. So it really does work. It's a fantastic video. The other one's only about a week old, so I've been doing it for 5 days, but I'm actually now in the last 2 days. So I did 3 days of doing it for 7 minutes, and then in the last 2 days I actually do it and then do it again. So I've been doing it twice, because within the space of 3 days I progressed, which shows how effective it is. It's amazing. I've even had my wife and my daughter doing it with me, because they were like, what's this? You know, it's interesting. And they like it. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful, because it's going to hopefully save you hundreds of hours of trawling through all the rubbish and get straight to two fantastic videos and an amazing athlete who will teach you exactly how to get yourself stronger and more fit for your calisthenics journey. So I hope you join me on my journey. And I would love to join you on yours. So, you know, leave a comment, subscribe to me and let me know, and I'll sub you back. And we'll do this calisthenics journey together. And a couple of years from now, hopefully, we'll be doing the full planche and the L-sits and front levers and everything else that these guys are doing. So that's it. Talk to you later. Bye bye.